guys. Now, let's talk about Baby Doge. People ask me why those Baby Doges still matter in 2026. In a world of thousands of useless tokens, Baby Doge is doing something most projects forget. It's combining utility with real world impact. It's not just about the chart, it's about the mission. First, let's talk heart. Baby Doge has already donated over 1.5 million to animal shelters. They hold Guinness World Record for the largest pet food donation, while other coins are just hype. The Baby Doge army is literally saving lives every single day. When you hold, you're part of that impact. But a good heart needs a good brain. In 2026, Baby Doge matters because it's a Web3 powerhouse. We're talking about an AI image generator. This actually gets you a top tier DEX on the BNB chain with rock bottom fees, and the burn portal what has wiped out over half the supply. It's a tech ecosystem disguised as a meme. And for the holders, reflection. In a rocky market, getting passive rewards just for holding is a game changer. 5% of every transaction goes back to the army.